about to go. Going to Florida. It's probably about the first person I actually shot with. She don't know that though. It's been a long road. Alright, man. Come on, man. Cut the camera, dog.
I'ma do this for the gram. Introduce you to the fam. They show you love cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it. Right, oh, baby.
Hi, my name's Brittany Michelle, and on Instagram that's Brittany with 2 Y's and 3 E's at the end. And I am a influencer, really just a female boss who kind of wants to inspire other females. So we're out here with Fisher, and I am ready to get this going because I'm cold and I'm moving to Florida, so this is gonna be the last time I have to be out here in the cold. But we came a long way. He was the first guy to show me love, and we just grown ever since, and that's what we're out here to do, so stay tuned.
Alright, we about to cut the audio, because you know we gotta get in our little mode. We holla at y'all in about 2 minutes, alright, cool.
You can have it just because you want it, Remember you're dealing with me, Walking and I'm moving like I got it, Cause baby, confidence is key, Now watch me, flex. Now watch me, flex. Watch me while I flex. Watch me while I flex. Watch me while I flex. I'm always on my grind. I don't got time for all that noise that I hear. I don't need that. I'm free. I got people in my ear. I got places left to see. You got me on your mind, but I'm not trying to be. Now watch me. Flex.
Alright, y'all. While we standing here, you know what I mean?
Close, dog.
I just want to make sure y'all can see me. While we standing here, yo, you know what I mean? You know, I just started to do a little manual shoot. Hey, yo, this is my shit. Hold on. I gotta pause the joint though, cause I'm about to jab out to the joint. I'll be. She just tagged me in the post. How she tagged me? She dropped me.
I'm about to go to that Starbucks over there though. Actually, it was a pretty far walk. Never mind, I'm lying. No, it wasn't. It was right here. Look, I'm lying.
Alright.
I exaggerate.
Yeah, so while we I wanna make sure they see me. Can y'all see? Y'all can see me?
Yeah, they can see you now. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so you know what I mean? Got this Canon EOS R. This shit is crack. Crack cocaine, you know, something. Random people. Alright, so yeah, so you know. I decided to, you know, flip my flash. Motherfucker, if you move this whole time. I decided to flip my flash, do a little manual thing, you know what I mean, instead of that TTL. So I got my flash on about 1/8 per second, you know what I mean, and these pictures is, you know, every time me and Brett shoot, you know, we do some flame shit, but you know, we just gotta set the world on fire sometime, you know what I mean? It's dark outside, like it's pitch black.
Yeah, it's nighttime out here, dog. It's nighttime.
He got his damn headlights on.
Right.
Nigga, I bet you it's a Comcast truck.
Yo.
Wow, how do I know it? How do I know it? Didn't even have to look.
Right, you knew.
Yo, I'm crying. I'm really crying.
Yo, you look big mad. Yo, you big mad.
Asshole. But you know, yeah, but what I was saying, yeah, we do some flame, you know, we set the world on fire just a little bit, you know. You know, little torches. Woo!
Yeah.
Where you at?
I'm getting off Tower Hill now.
Boom! Alright.
Yeah, why?
We waiting on you. We bust that joint out already.
Our solo joint?
Yeah.
No, I didn't do it so she wanted me to do a whole different outfit.
Alright.
use a flash.
That flash.
Alright.
We got street lights.
I got a light.
Trust me, you're working with the pro. You know this.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Damn.
All right, so
man.
what's going on?
Ain't white people supposed to be on time.
Nah, Melody.
God damn. I should have told her 4 o'clock. She probably would have just showed up on time. Oh, man, I was a little sleepy.
You was a little sleepy.
I fell asleep for about 2 seconds. You ever heard of cat naps?
What do you call that then?
That's a kit nap. We leaving now. You done?
I need my drink.
Who's leaving?
What you get?
A cake pop.
You got chocolate on your teeth. Talking shit about you.
Life goes on, you know. Everyone's gonna talk shit.
Right.
Only my shit matters.
Wait, what?
White girl totally do some Starbucks. Everybody know I love white people.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yo, you talking junk, yo.
Two hours later.
Dog shit.
That's my friend Gabby.
Hello.
What's up, Gabby?
Hi,
How you
guys.
doing?
Good, how are you?
You ready?
Thanks. Yeah, I'm ready. So I brought 3 different hats. I need to figure out which one looks good with this
Alright,
one.
come on.
Who she just compared to?
Wait, she couldn't have walked that fast. She has injuries, clearly. Oh, fuck. I think this is too dark, you know? Look. Yo, you should see the lights that, the photos that we got, though. Look, yes, totally that one. I already know. Yes. You need to wear that one. And I want to get one like this. I'm like really jelly right now. That hat's bomb. Thanks. You look bad.
Alright, bro.
Outfit does not make you look bad.
Damn, I think I'm snotting a little
Yo,
bit.
chill, dog.
Oh my God.
Oh!
No competition when I show up. Just watch me flow on the beat. I'm so official. Long as you know, don't ever try it with me. I can do it slow. Wind it up, like watch me move my hips like whoa. So you wanna know, right? Yeah, I see you watching. Ask me how I do it, do it. Ask me how I do it, do it. I can show and prove it, prove it. Ask me how I do it, do it. Like
I mean, who knows? We gotta take over the city everywhere we go, man. So we about to go over to this little Hopkins house, you know what I mean? Him under the lights, a little something, a little tight.
I'm about to blow, and I keep picking up speed. Just feel the rhythm. Long as you know, you gotta stay in your lane. Slow, wind it up, watch me move my hips like
You're like him, Skilly Billy. I like peanut butter with nuts in it.
I cannot fucking say.
Skip me with a little bit of crunch.
Are you changing those? Yeah, let's get naked really quick.
Alright, man, outfit change real fast. We trying to get out of here. Ooh, it's 6 o'clock on the dot. Damn, I wish I was in the drop top, but it's colder than a motherfucker.
Right.
I guess I get to be like a figure Yeah, I can take it, flip it like a figure eight. I can take it back just like an ace of spades. Yeah, switch it up, flip it up. Do it in reverse, I flip it up. Switch it up, flip it up. Do it in reverse, I flip it up. Do it in reverse, I flip it up.
You tell me my girl. Tell me we laughed on it. Hey guys, my name's Maddie Bidding. My Instagram's at IAM Maddie Bidding, MADDIEBITTING. And I just shot with Dante. He's like one of my favorite photographers. Whenever I have an idea, I'm like, yo, we gotta shoot this. And same thing with him. He'll send me content ideas and we always kill it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching a little bit of the behind the scenes, and it's always interesting because it's Philly. But here's my girl, hold up. All right, go ahead. Oh, I already did mine. Oh, you did? But shout out to Jay Johnson. You know, he's behind the camera doing all the visuals for us today. But y'all are going to be in for a surprise. I already did my shit.
Yo, you know who it is.
What it do? Peanut butter.
Oh God.
Get out my shit. Sorry, I had to. I said peanut butter.
Alright, man. It's a wrap.
Whoa!
I'ma do this for the gram. Introduce you to the fam. They show you love cause I'm the man. I'ma do this, baby. Watch me do it, yeah. I'm gon' do it. Right, oh baby. Anything you like, I got, oh baby. I wanna ride with you. I wanna roll with you. I wanna ride, oh baby, yeah. Love. Crazy love. Never should have, didn't know just what it was. Baby, I apologize for all the times you've forgotten what it feels like to be loved right. I don't wanna fight, and I'm hoping I can make it up. Take you out tonight, make you feel alright. When we get back, I'ma beat it up. I know sometimes it's hard to know just how I feel. I wanna tell the world you're mine. Girl, I'm about to show you off. I'ma do this for the gram.